Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. Today we are making Chocoflan. To begin, we are making a caramel sauce in a saucepan over medium-high heat, adding half a cup of water, followed by 1 cup of sugar. Bring it to a boil and cook until it turns light brown. Make sure that the caramel sauce does not burn, because if it does burn, it's going to taste pretty bitter. Once it turns brown, quickly remove from the heat and add to the bottom of your cake pan. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Now, in a mixing bowl, add in 4 large eggs, a 12-ounce can of evaporated milk, a 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, 1 tablespoon of pure vanilla extract. Oh, and be sure to use pure vanilla extract. We don't do imitation. Thank you. Now, whisk until thoroughly combined. Then pour inside your cake pan. The caramel sauce would have cooled off by now, but that's okay, no worries. Transfer the cake pan into a large baking dish. Fill up the baking dish with cold water, at least half the way full. Then transfer to the center of your preheated oven at 400 degrees for 30 minutes. Now, in a mixing bowl, sift 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1/3 of a cup of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/3 of a cup of Hershey's cocoa powder. Whisk the dry ingredients until thoroughly combined. Then add in 3/4 of a cup of milk, 1 cup of vegetable oil, one tablespoon of pure vanilla extract. With a hand mixer on low speed, go ahead and start mixing. And as we are mixing, add in 2 large eggs, one at a time. Continue mixing on medium speed until thoroughly combined. And after 30 minutes, get the cake pan out the oven. Then gently pour the cake batter over the flan. Cover the cake pan with aluminum foil. Reduce the temperature of your oven to 350 degrees. Now, bake at 350 degrees for 1 hour. After 1 hour, take out the oven and remove the aluminum foil. Toothpick test. If it comes out clean, it means that it's done, which it is. Let it cool off for at least 2 hours before serving. And after it has cooled off, place a plate on top of the cake pan and flip it over. If everything goes according to plan, your Chocoflan should look like this. Now you are ready to eat. There you guys have it, Chocoflan. Enjoy, buen provecho, and thanks for watching.